कमला प्रसाद बिसेसर जी, members of the cabinet, all the dignitaries present today, members of the Indian diaspora, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Sitaram, Jai Shri Ram. Can you mark something? What a coincidence. It is a matter of immense pride and joy for me to be with all of you this evening. I thank Prime Minister Kamala ji for her wonderful hospitality and kind words. I arrived a short while ago in this beautiful land of hummingbirds. And my very first engagement is with the Indian community here. It feels completely natural. After all, we are part of one family. I thank you for your warmth and affection. Friends, I know that the journey of the Indian community in Trinidad and Tobago is about courage. The circumstances your ancestors faced would have broken even the strongest spirits, but they faced hardships with hope. They met problems with persistence. They left the Ganga and Yamuna behind, but carried the Ramayana in their hearts. They left their soil, but not their soul. They were not just migrants. They were messengers of a timeless civilization. Their contributions have benefited this country culturally, economically, and spiritually. Just look at the impact that you have all had on this beautiful nation. Kamala Prasad Bisesar ji, as the first women Prime Minister of this country, Her Excellency Christine Carla Kangalu ji, as the female president, late Sri Basdev Pandey, the son of a farmer rose to become Prime Minister and a respected global leader. Eminent math scholar Rudranath Kapil Dev, music icon Sundar Popo, cricketing talent Darren Ganga, and Shivdas Sadhu, whose devotion built the temple in sea. The list of achievers goes on. You, the children of Girmitia, are not defined by struggle anymore. You are defined by your success, your service, and your values. Honestly, there must be something magical in the doubles and dal pudi, because you have doubled the success of this great nation. Friends, when I last visited 25 years ago, we all admired the cover drives and pull shots of Lara. Today, it is Sunil Narayan and Nicholas Puran who ignite the same excitement in the hearts of our youth. Between then and now, our friendship has grown even stronger. Banaras, Patna, Kolkata, Delhi may be cities in India, but there are also names of streets here. Navratra, Mahashivratri, Janmashtami are celebrated here with joy, spirit and pride. Chautal and Baithak Gana continue to thrive here. I can see the warmth of many familiar faces here. And I see curiosity in the bright eyes of younger generation, keen to know and grow together. Truly, our bonds go well beyond geography and generations. Friends, I know of your deep faith in Prabhu Shri Ram. एक 180 साल बीतल हो, मन न भूलल हो, भजन राम के हर दिल में गुंजल हो. The Ram Leelas in Sandi Grandi and Dow Village are said to be the truly unique. Ramcharitmanas says राम धाम दा पुरी सुहावनी, लोक समस्त विदित अति पावन. It means the holy city of Prabhu Sri Ram is so beautiful that its glory is spread across the world. I'm